Hello, this is Tech-ni-shn here again. This is a continuation of the SI5351A VFO video. I've tested a number of other sources. One is a SI570 LVDS version, and the other one is a SI570 CMOS version. The graphs on the screen will show what the results are. The SI570 LVDS version, the output is approximately minus 1 dBm, and this was going into a 10 dB attenuator, then into the crystal filter. The numbers in the columns following each test is the dBc per hertz value, which has been corrected for the output level. The SI570 LVDS is fairly close to the SI5351A, except at the higher spacings. At minus 100 kilohertz and plus 100 kilohertz, the SI5351A appears to be better. The SI570 CMOS version looks quite a bit better at the narrow spacings, up to from plus or minus 10 kilohertz up to plus or minus 50 kilohertz. It is leading the charge, and at plus or minus 100 kilohertz, the SI5351A appears to be better, which is quite good. I haven't done any further checks at higher spacings. Would be interesting to see what they're like, but I think the SI5351A makes quite a good signal source. The testing was done at 8.997 megahertz, and the neither source was used with the following amplifier, neither SI570 source. The SI570 sources, both of them were the from SDR-Kits, and they were the QRP2000 source, which is controlled via USB. I kept the USB to power the both the signal sources. The SI570 oscillators are no longer available due to the cost of the SI570 now. I believe they're around the $30 mark, or they could be higher in actual fact. The SI570 comes in a number of variants. The CMOS version, which is probably the most common, and the LVDS, and I believe is another version, which is the PECL version. The SI570 has an inbuilt crystal oscillator, and this is what determines the stability. The SI5351A, however, uses a external crystal, or even an external crystal oscillator. The QRP Labs units, you can phase lock the units, and they can be very good stability. The QRP Labs oscillators actually use a TCXO. The TCXO may have jumps in stability, but the TCXOs that QRP Labs use have what is an analog temperature correction, so there's no jumps apparent.